Welcome to the tutorial of how to place an order on the Fun with Soap website. We've already opened up the shop page. On the left hand side you will see we have all the categories, as well on the right hand side with pretty images to show you the various categories that there are in the shop. The first thing we're going to tackle is searching. Now when it comes to searching for products, you got to use keywords. So let's say for instance we're looking for soap. You will see it's going to auto search, or you can otherwise click the search icon and it will bring up a full page. Here we'll see then all the products that we have that has got the keyword soap in. You can see the soap is highlighted there. If you're looking for two terms, let's say liquid soap, it's going to do the same thing. However, if you're looking for more intricate search terms, the system's going to find it very hard to maybe find the products that you're looking for. So the best suggestion would be to actually just first find soap and then look then for the products that's got the keywords that you're looking for. Same thing for clay. We've got bentonite clay and we've got normal clay. Which you will see then if we put in clay, it will bring in basically everything that's got clay in it. A lot of you have used the site already, so you can see these are all the products that has got the keyword clay in it. And that's pretty much as simple as it is as searching for products. Other way to do it is to go through the various categories and find where your product will be listed on. If it's oils, it will be fragrance oils, hair care products, and so forth. Now the easiest thing is to place an order. We can then go to, let's say for instance we want to buy an apparatus. So we will select the apparatus category. It will open up the window and then show us all the products that's underneath that category. As you can see here, these are all the products. So let's say for instance we want to add the silicone soap mold. Now you've got two options. You can click on quick view. It will bring up an overlay of the actual product where you can then select the quantities. You can add it from cart, add it to your shopping cart from here. Or you can click add to cart, or you can actually go to the physical product page itself. As you can see, this product is on sale. And let's say for instance we want to add to the cart. We can click on add to cart. And you will see it will add this product into the shopping cart. One thing to remember is your shopping cart will always show the products that you have already added previously before. So you can see these products I've already added in before. So from here we can go then click on view the cart. When viewing the cart, it will then give you the option to go to checkout, or it will give you the option then to continue shopping. We can also then change the amounts of the products we want. Let's say we just want one of those, and then we can click on update cart. Or we can continue shopping, depends on what you would like to do next. So I'm pretty much happy with all the products I'm purchasing right now. So I'm just going to proceed to checkout. As you see on the right hand side here, we've got the total as is. The shipping is not added in yet because we have not proceeded to be added in our details. So from there we will click proceed to checkout. When you click to proceed to checkout, you've got two options. If you've already used the site before, you can log in to your account from here, or you can create a new account from here. In this case, I'm already registered on the site, so I will not be creating a new account. Once you fill in all this information and you click place order, it will then take you to your next option. As you can see here, there's no shipping options yet because there's no address filled in here. So it's got no idea how far and where this product will need to go. So in my case, I'm just going to log into my account. Now the system will retain my shopping cart with all the products in there. Once I've logged in, I will then have the option then to go checkout, and it will give me shipping options. So here we go. My account is saved already. We can log in. It also gives you an option, if you lost your password, you can put your email address in the end. We'll send you a new password link, or you can go to lost password from here. We'll just wait for the page to open up. So once you've logged in, we'll open up my account page from where I can view my previous orders, change my shipping address, change my personal details. So there's quite a bit of things you can do on the My Account page. It will also hold your downloads. If you've bought one of the ebooks, if you sign up for one of the courses, or you bought a lesson, your downloads will then be available from there. Okay, this is the account page. You will see this is dashboard. So I can view my orders, my downloads, my addresses, delete my account, and my normal account, and my wish list is also listed on here. As you can see, it saved my previous shopping cart. So from here I can go view cart. Right, it's open in my view cart. You can see these are all the products that I've added before. What I can do from here is I can remove products. So let's say, for instance, I'm removing the white melted pore soap, 30 kilograms. I don't need it. That gives me the option then to remove that product from the shopping cart. As you can see, the product has been removed. From here, we can then decide what shipping options we've got. We've got Fastway Couriers. That is based on my address and my location, which I entered when I entered my address. We can choose Pargo, Pargo delivery, or pickup point. Your own collection, which means you place the order and you can either send your own couriers or come to our walk-in store and collect from us in person. Then there's the courier guy. We've got Pudo, outlying areas, that's for farms, and if there's a really big order, we suggest you use for bigger quotes, and then we will mail you a quote for the shipping. You will see my total, and from here I can then decide I'm going to check out. So once again, it gives me my address confirmation, my shipping, and then my payment options. Now I can do EFT. EFT is when what I will do is I will get an invoice after I place my order, and I will receive then an invoice with the banking details. I will then place pay the order and then send through the proof of payment with my order number as reference. We've got PayFast, which is online payment. Payflex. Payflex gives you repayment options, and then we've got PayFast. So in the first instance, I'm just going to use EFT. I'm going to read my terms and conditions, and I will place the order. Now, once the order is completed, I will then receive an invoice with the banking details for Fun with Soap, and I will then pay for the order and send email through my proof of payment. As you can see, my order has gone through. Please note, we cannot change the orders, and this is what I ordered, and I will then receive an email with all the products that I've ordered. And then this is my order number. The order number I will then use for payment reference.